Hi, Barbara Friedberg here, owner of Barbara Friedberg Personal Finance and former portfolio manager and investments instructor at several universities. Here to talk to you today about the differences between Empower, formerly known as Personal Capital, and Quicken. Both of them are available for low cost or no cost to help you get a grasp of your finances. They will help you with handling your debt, your saving, your investing, tracking, and planning with distinct features for each. At the end of this video, you are going to have the information you need to decide whether you need Empower, Quicken, or both. I use both. I've used Quicken for nearly 30 years, and I've used the free version of Empower probably for about 7. So let's get started. We all need to track our finances if we want to be financially successful. There's no way around it. And there's so much software out there that it is very, very, very hard to plan for and decide which one is right for you. I've reviewed many, many of them, and I'm not saying these are the best, but these are very accessible. The Empower free tools, financial tracking tools are free. Quicken has some very low fee plans. We'll look at the pros, the cons, the similarities, the differences. So let's get started. What is Quicken? Quicken is a money management software, and it offers banking, credit card, investment, and debt tracking, scores of customizable reports. And that's one of the things I love. I do investment reports, I do income reports, spending reports, budgeting reports, just to see where I am. I also do planning reports with Quicken. They have free credit monitoring, budgeting, retirement planning. They also have small business and real estate tracking along with bill pay. We're going to take a look at Quicken now, and then we will delve into personal capital. So here are the basic questions that you will get answered if you use Quicken. How to save more for your goals, manage and reduce debt, build a safety net, stay on track with your budget, know where your money is going, grow and diversify your investments, and plan for retirement. Now, the budgeting is really good in Quicken. And I think if you're looking for top-notch budgeting software, then Quicken is better and it's more comprehensive. And I'd stop here. If that's all you want is a budgeting app, I'd go with Quicken. It's got everything you're going to need. It'll help you set your goals, build your budget, stay on track, and adjust as needed. Here, for example, you've got a little image for your $3,000 summer vacation budget. You've saved $750. So you're on track there. And if you just want a budgeting app, of course, you can just get the Quicken Simplify, which is on sale now and is designed for budgeting. But I haven't used Quicken Simplify because I've always used the overall Quicken app. You customize everything, you track your progress. Okay, I said all this. Let's go on to the investing. This is what I love Quicken for. Because over the years, obviously I started small. Over the years, our portfolios have grown. And so we can track all of our investments. We track every one of them. We know what their value is. We know what their growth is, their returns. We can create reports with those. You get ideas on which ones are gaining, which investments are losing, what your potential tax consequences will be. So, a lot of benefits for Quicken. Let's take a quick breeze at Empower. Empower is actually 2 services. The first is a free money, retirement, and investment management software. When I say free, it is free. Although if you have more than $100,000 invested with Empower, they will require that you have a chat with an investment advisor. Now, there's no charge for that. And actually, I've gone through the conversation and ended up with a free investment plan, even though I did not hire Empower to manage my investments. And that was actually very nice. The free Empower money management tools include a net worth tracker, a savings planner, budgeting tools, cash flow management. The retirement planner, I believe, is better at Empower. It is very, very in-depth. Education planner, investment checkup, I absolutely love. It looks at your whole portfolio and gives you an idea of ways that you can maximize your returns. And they also have a fee analyzer. Did I mention that Empower free tools for investment, saving, budgeting, and analysis are free? So, between you and me, I'd sign up for Empower whether you choose Quicken or not because it's free. Here's a little tutorial video that I did that you can pick up on my YouTube channel that talks to you about how you can actually use the Empower platform. So, let's take a quick breeze at the Empower platform. Okay, this is an old account. It doesn't exist anymore, but it gives you an idea of what's going on here. On the overview page, you get your dashboard and you can see what your net worth is. You can see a little bit of investment information. Budgeting, this account doesn't really have any savings accounts uploaded, so you can't really see the spending and the cash flow. But when you link your savings accounts, your checking account, your credit cards to the Empower platform. And if you're worried about if it's trustworthy, both Empower and Quicken have the highest security protocols online with a banking system. So if you're comfortable doing online banking, you'll be comfortable using Empower and Quicken. Gives your portfolio balance. It tells what the market is doing. It tells your retirement savings, all of these things. Now, like I said, I haven't really uploaded a full range of accounts and linked them. So this is giving you an idea of what the platform can do without the actual money in this demo. Your net worth. Look, I love to look at net worth figures because over time, you'll see if you are saving and investing appropriately, your net worth goes up. And if you want to grow your net worth, you need to keep track of it. It'll have your transactions as well, your cash transactions, investment, debt, credit, loan, mortgage, all can be linked in. The investing will give you your whole portfolio. This is the Standard & Poor's, the orange line. U index, which is what I love because it will compare your returns and your portfolio with various different stock market indices. US, S&P 500, foreign, US bond. So you can compare how you're doing and then strategize how you might do better. Performance, you get a drill down into that. Your asset allocation, I think, is very cool. You'll get percentage stocks, cash, alternatives. They also, Empower also likes to give you a sector approach. So they talk to you about how much you have invested in each equity sector. Now, the planning is one of the sections of Empower that I think really shines. Their retirement planner is among the best that I have seen online. You can customize it with your savings, your Social Security, the income events you expect. You can plug in your spending goals, your retirement, one-time occurrences, etc. If you want to buy a house in retirement, if you want to go on a big vacation, you put that all in. And they tell you the probability of reaching your retirement goals from best case scenario to worst case scenario. I love this. If you don't use Empower for anything else, I would definitely suggest give it a run through on the retirement planning. Now, the fee analyzer is really good too. I personally only invest in low fee funds. But if you're not like me and you want to see what your fees cost and how much money you could be losing by including in your portfolio high fee funds, well, then they will help you do that. And then the investment checkup, I think, is super cool because it'll give you advice. What's your asset allocation, recommendations for how you could tweak your portfolio to get better results. Okay, and here's where it comes in, where they want you to select a time to meet with a financial advisor. Okay, it's a small price to pay for all of this free software. And you'll see here you can get historical performance, future projections, risk and return, so much really cool data and information. And if you want to sign up for their investment management platform, they do offer access to financial advisors and many, many other features for a reasonable month assets under management fee. And of course, that is not free. So let's get back to our comparison. We will drill down into the similarities and differences of the different segments of Quicken versus Empower. And then we will wrap it up by helping you figure out which or both platforms are best for you. The dashboard home screen, they're both really good. We gave the win to Quicken because they have your top movers, your portfolio, your bills, income transfers, net worth, income and expense graph, top spending categories, top payees, and recent transactions. So you see everything there. Here's the Empower home screen, and this image will give you pretty much your net worth, all of your accounts along here, how your net worth has grown over time. The Empower dashboard home screen gives cash balances, 90-day investment growth portfolio, retirement savings. Empower is better suited if you have a decent investment portfolio because their investment analysis tools are really, really good. If you're just looking for a budgeting app, Empower is not as good as Quicken. User friendly, they're both really user friendly. Investment tracking. Well, the main difference between investment tracking for Quicken and Empower is Quicken offers customizable reports. So you can set a variety of parameters, including timelines, including assets to including different accounts, and then run reports based on performance, comparisons. And so it's much more customizable. That said, Empower does give you these reports. They're not customizable, but nevertheless, they're pretty good. You can get a net worth, cash flow analysis, investment returns, asset allocation, retirement fee analyzer, investment checkup, and the withdrawal planner is great for those of you that are in retirement. Now, here are the investment tracking reports in Quicken, and they are all customizable. So if you have a relatively moderate to sophisticated investment portfolio, you'll probably lean towards definitely getting Quicken. Asset allocation, income, performance, transactions, values versus cost basis, internal rate of return, activity, income by security, and more. And I love that it is customizable. Advice and planning. Empower's really, really good at this. While Quicken has upped its game, like I've said earlier in the video, I love their retirement planner and investment checkup at Empower. If you use Empower for nothing else, I would suggest that you upload your entire portfolio to the Empower dashboard and check out their recommendations, their retirement planner, their investment checkup. You'll gain some really good insights for free. Budgeting, you're going to get Quicken is way ahead. You can set budgets, you can compare budgets to national averages, you can compare to this year, last year. And if you're just starting out and you just want a basic budgeting and spending app, then go for the less expensive Quicken Simplify app. Fees, okay. Now, if you want a completely free investment and money management software, then you'll go with Empower. But if you want the customizable budgeting, investing features, then you'll want to choose Quicken. But since Empower's free tools are free, there's really no downside to downloading that Empower software. Well, the downside is if you have over $100,000, you will be asked to chat with a financial advisor, which, like I said at the beginning, was actually quite beneficial and interesting. Security, we discussed that, top notch, wouldn't worry about it. Both have good customer service. So I'll let you hop on to the actual article after you view this video if you want to look at the frequently asked questions. Final wrap up. You probably know where we're going with this. If you want customizable reports and budgeting through investing and planning, really microscopic spending and income tracking, you'll want Quicken. If you are looking for a superb retirement planner, an investment checkup, and decent budgeting, saving, and spending reports, then you'll go with Empower. Like I said, I use both, but for my future planning and my budgeting and customized reports, I have to fall back on Quicken. So, thank you so much for visiting. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I will leave links below to this article to direct access to the Quicken and the Empower platform. If you do sign up for either or both with the links below, our company may receive a small commission to help fund this channel. And if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much, and see you next time.